So I removed the tape, removed the glue, used a little WD-40 with a rag, and I was able to get this out to clean it better. And then it turns out a wood screw, I think it was 1.25 inches, was just about right. It stuck through just slightly on the other side, right here, which I figured would probably interfere with our canister. So I took it back out and ground the tip down a little bit, and then put it back in, and it's in there snug. It's I don't think it's not gonna fall out. It should stay. Also, clean the canister. You can take the top off. You can take the HEPA filter out. Clean that all out. So we should be good to put it back in now. As far as the roller rolling all the time, I don't think there's a solution to that. I think that's just the way it was made. But hopefully with this in there good and tight, now she can use it easier. But you can, this will, it will come out of here. You gently spring it a little bit so you have more hose. Okay, it should be good to go. The bottom, put that all back together. That went back together easy after I removed all the hair and cleaned it. Okay, I think we're good to go. Can't remember how this goes in here, but I think I need 2 hands, but should go right in there, and we'll be ready to go.